Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Ultimaxx 46mm complete lens filter kit and 3 reasons you should have this item in your camera bag. Reason number 1, if you're just getting into photography or you're just now starting to kind of work with seeing how you can increase the quality of your images or just make some changes to them, this is the set to start with. The lens in front of you now is what they call a gradient color lens, as far as the color fades in from the bottom, comes up to the center, drops off and goes on. There's all sorts of ways you can put your mind to that one. The one right here is part of a 3 filter set. It has an ultraviolet filter, a circular polarizer filter, and a fluorescent filter. I've used UV filters for years. Mainly they were to protect the front end of the optics. I'll leave it up to you whether or not you think this is one that may help you. Again, this is where the experimentation comes in. It also has a circular polarizer, so it allows you to take out some reflections or other lighting problems that may show up. It kind of allows you to dial it out. It sometimes works, sometimes won't. And then you got a fluorescent filter. If you're shooting under fluorescent lighting and don't want to go mucking with the color balance in your camera, that's a way to filter that out and it will make the pictures look a little bit better. And then lastly in the package, we've got a 4-piece macro close-up lens. And this one is showing +1, +2, +4, and +10. That's, as the number goes up, that's what's going to get you the increase in magnification. And this is the package right here that has that. So each one comes with its own wallet, which is good because that way you can keep track of what's going on. I've got to take a few minutes and label mine so that I can tell which one is which a little bit faster. I mean, I can tell easily enough, but when you're out in a big public area, fumbling around through filters is not something maybe you want to go do. So that's one improvement I would suggest making, is putting this, doing some sort of labeling to help quickly identify what type of filter is in which package. Over time, you'll just know, oh, this one's this one, but until then, that's a way to increase your enjoyment because you're not going to be spending all the time flipping out lenses. Just make sure to have some lens wipes with you to rub off any fingerprint smudges going on, because that will alter the image that you're capturing. So take a look at this one and think about getting that today.